Choosing the right abrasive for your need can make a world of difference. Today we're going to be going over the most common abrasives, their purpose, and their finish. Glass bead is made up of hollow round glass spheres that create a light satin matte finish and produce a manufacturer-like part. Glass bead is great for stainless steel pieces, finishing CNC parts, cleaning engine parts, or any application that requires a bright and soft finish. Ceramic bead is similar to glass bead, but it is a solid ball, unlike glass bead. This allows the abrasive to last 10 times longer and give a more consistent finish when blasting for a long period of time. Ceramic bead is great for removing contaminants, and their circular shape allows them to create a great finishing effect. Brown aluminum oxide is a hard and tough abrasive which allows it to wear excellently. Brown aluminum oxide is used to remove rust, paint, and surface contaminants due to its hard and angular shape. Brown aluminum oxide is also used to deburr machine parts or prep surfaces for finishing. Silicon carbide is an extremely hard abrasive with maximum resistance to breakdown and a jagged shape. This allows the abrasive to quickly cut and smooth surfaces, upping production time, while its long cutting time keeps the cost down. Silicon carbide is mainly used for prepping surfaces, but can also be used to achieve a desired finish. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our other social medias. Thanks for watching. Peace.